Happy New Year, happy 2026 everyone. So welcome back to another video. So it's been quite a while since I have do a last update for this account, Matrix Money. So let's take a look at the account now. I have not been topping up any money at this moment. Has been very busy with the holiday seasons and has been very lazy of about making new videos. So not really concerned, not really focused on this account. Back in my main account, most of the trading and the investment are done there. So this public account has kind of slightly neglected this a bit. So was thinking about coming back into this account and today. So just want to give an update first. Okay, the account cash value. The total cash value I put in is about $8,000. So current standing at 7,900. So today the market, the account dropped by about 0.8% because as you can see. Let's start with going through the companies in the portfolio. Firstly, let us take a look at Adobe. Adobe currently on 2 shares. The P&L now for Adobe is about 2% up for Adobe. So Adobe, as mentioned in previous videos, will be a long-term holding. Currently, the company, although fundamentals are there's no issues and no problem with the fundamentals, but in the short-term sense, the outlook is not looking so good with the investor, and I'll be still holding on to Adobe for a long time. And if Adobe probably drop lower than what my purchase costs, I'll be looking to add more shares. So next holding, we have the AMD. AMD here right now is the highest percentage gain in this portfolio at about 30%. Recently, AMD has also dropped down by a bit. Take a look at the chart here. So their all-time high about 267, and then has been waving up and down around the support around here, around 205, I think. Yes. And AMD is also a company which I'm going to hold long term. Most of the stocks in this portfolio is for long term investment. So I will not be doing anything for now for AMD unless it drop back down to the 100 plus range. Then I could still be buying a bit more on AMD. Next, for my public portfolio, where I have the Amazon, just one share right here. Let's take a look at Amazon chart. For this year, I mean for 2026, Amazon has been doing quite well. You see the first few trading day, or the large green candle here. Today is also a green day for Amazon, up by about 1.4%. Next, let us take a look at Celsius Holding. Celsius Holding in my portfolio, I have 6 shares now. It's still down by 4%, 4 to 5%. As you can see right here, last year, Celsius Holding went up quite high to about $66 per share, and then it dropped back down to about $37 again. And then right now it's in between. It's around the $50 mark here. This is a long-term holding. A very I would say a lot of potential in the company to go much better. So I'll just continue to keep this. If it drop back down, maybe less than $40, I'll be looking to add more shares as well. It's my plan for 2026. And next, Fiserv. Fiserv is a very small holding. This company is not in my main account, so it's only in this small account here. Only 2 shares, and it's still down by 30%. Next, Fortinet. Fortinet, 3 shares here, and up by 5%. Marvell is not too bad. I think it's better than AMD. It's about 34% up. So my average cost is about 62, quite low. Only 2 shares here. Meta is one of the main so-called loser in this account with a negative 8%. Meta, long-term company in this current account, will be a long-term holding. Next we look at Nvidia. Nvidia, don't have to say much. Hopefully 2026 will bring even higher highs for the Nvidia shares holder. Right now in this portfolio, about 9% up. Next, Netflix. Netflix, I do recently also add some Netflix shares for my main account. Not a big position, but just starting out a position for Netflix as it come down to more affordable range around 90 or 80 plus dollars now. So it's still about -7% in this portfolio. Palantir, only one share, also -1%. And then we have SoFi here, just 3 shares of SoFi, up about 2%. And lastly, ELF, down 20%. So all the companies in my portfolio here in this account, definitely I'll be holding it for a long term. And this year, in my opinion, I find that this year could be a year, because 2026 has been quite a good year for everyone. Same for 2025, 2024. So I mean, due to a lot of uncertainty now, the US government, Trump, and the all the tariffs and the wars coming up. I mean, for in terms of not say wars coming up, the current war that Russia, Ukraine, and I find that the world today is kind of a bit messy. So it may be a chance to add shares, but if you already have quite a significant position, like I mean, for myself, I do have some significant holding in my portfolio, so I will not be thinking to add too much shares. So I'll be just taking like very calculated risk. I just want to take more calculated risk. Unless there's a major pullback, then I'm thinking to add some more shares. And if there's a major pullback, I'll be thinking to add shares, and also thinking to be selling some puts, also to gain some cash out of it. So currently, these are the companies in my holdings are quite mainstream, I can say. Most of the investor that is more towards the tech sector, right, will have some of the companies in my holding as well. And most of them are considered fundamentally strong, so the risk is also slightly lower in terms of the company that I'm holding. So I'm happy to hold this for long term, and will hopefully this year will not be. Hopefully we'll see some gain for 2026. It may not be a double figure S&P gain for 2025, but hopefully it will not be. So hopefully it won't be as hopefully it won't lose out too much compared to last year. All right, that's the updates for my portfolio. And if you have any question, feel free to leave in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.